it's 5:28 in the morning and good morning, and we are leaving for Sanjay One, and Sanjay One के बारे में वहीं जाके बताते हैं। बाकी अभी के लिए हम लोग निकल रहे हैं। Let's go. It's 6:18 in the morning and we've just reached Sanjay One, and this place is known as the largest forest of India, and there's this board which states Delhi Nikas Radhikaran Udyan Khand. This is the park of Sanjay One. There's another side of Sanjay One which is a proper jungle, and they don't allow you easily, but from here you can enter with your bicycles as well. You can trek, and here we go. Let's go. So it looks like this, and it's very foggy and it's very cold in the morning. I'm here with my cousins, so guys, this is very dense here. Don't come alone. आज से कुछ 4 साल पहले मैंने यहाँ आने की कोशिश की थी एंड उन्होंने आने के लिए मना कर दिया था, बिकॉज दिस प्लेस इज़ नोन एज वन ऑफ द हॉन्टेड प्लेसेस ऑफ दिल्ली। कैन सी इट्स वेरी फॉगी, बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है, हाथ एकदम सुन्न पड़ गया। तो चुप कर, हाथ एकदम सुन्न पड़ गया। सॉरी, वो मेरा भाई है, सगा भाई है, तो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड, सगे भाई कुत्ते होते हैं। आगे बहुत फॉग है और कैमरामैन। सो गाइस, यहाँ पे एक झरने जैसी जगह है, काफी शांत है। सेंसर क्लीन किया था वीडियो से पहले, सेंसर क्लीन किया था। ये स्लो मोशन भाइयों की वजह से मेरे सनराइज तो मिस हो गया है, सुबह भी हो ही गई है, फिर भी देखते हैं क्या व्यू है, क्या जगह है। ये जगह एक्चुअली में काफ़ी डेंस है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा ग्रीनरी है यहाँ पे, और आई गेस यही रीज़न है कि इस जगह पे आने के लिए दे डोंट अलाउ गर्ल्स एंड ऑल, एंड दे डोंट अलाउ इंडिविजुअल पीपल ऑल्सो। सो नाउ वी हैव रीच्ड दिस प्लेस विच हैज़ rocks, and it is written that this is Peacock Hills, and some people are on the top of the hill, and this is another hill. See that? This is Peacock Hill. This is another hill. This slope. Qutub Minar is very close to this place. Okay, there are public washrooms as well. Okay, this is a part of the Aravalli range. Finally, I just got to know. Aravalli covers a lot of area दिल्ली का। यहाँ से ट्रैक शुरू होता है। So here we go. Guys, it's a trek. Trust me, it's fun, of course. And this goes upside direction. This is how it looks like. You have to climb up, and then there would be the hill. Then you would be able to see the view. And the sunrise I've missed. This is the nonsense sibling I have. पहले sunrise miss करवा दिया, अभी ओवर एक्टिंग कर रहा है। अभी चल कुत्ता। Okay, bye. I have to climb there. Are you? Here we are. This is the view which you found in Delhi, Sanjay One. It's all greenery and nobody's here. I don't know. People don't know this place, and then COVID is there, so people don't know about it. It's clean as well. There's no garbage and any kind of kuda. It's an all green view. I'm gonna show you a bit more. See, this is all greenery, which look like mountains, looks like mountains, and there's also greenery all the यही कहीं है। इफ यू कैन सी, ये रहा, फॉग के अंदर छुपे हुए थे ये। हाँ, मजा आ गया डूड। वेरी cool, very peaceful, very nice. The background music is my brother's Snapchat. People make streak, we make vlogs. So guys, he is my permanent knocker. ये देखिए, so adorable. गाइस, अब सूरज पूरी तरह सर पर आ गया। सर पर नहीं, मतलब अभी भी यहाँ फॉग है, ठंड है, और हम लोग जल्दी यहाँ से निकलने वाले हैं। और मुझे चाय की बहुत क्रेविंग हो रही है, और यहाँ बाहर चाय मिल भी रही थी। सो डेफिनेटली वी गोना हैव अ कप ऑफ टी। I'll see you in a while. I'm gonna leave from this place and that's it. Hey guys, so it was a great experience and now we are heading back. It's very cold and my nose is almost red. Can't see in the video, but yeah, it is. It's very cold and हम लोग सोए नहीं है रात भर, तो हालत ऐसी। Heading back now. It was so fun and this is the way I'm walking on. So I have to be a bit slow. My nose is all red because of the cold and we haven't slept, so the eyes are yellow and I'm gonna have something to eat. Hungry, like come to this place at least once early morning because अभी सर्दियाँ हैं, अभी आना is fun. बाद में गर्मी में snow wear fun. We'll be sweating like anything. It's gonna be very hot. It's cold right now. It's very cold. And that's it. It's beautiful, right?
हेलो गाइस, तो हम दिल्ली की लड़की के साथ आए हुए हैं और यहाँ पे हम संजय मन आए हैं। एकदम से हम मिल गए। भाई मैं बहुत बड़ा बिगेस्ट फैन हूँ। भाई की शक्ल ही बता रही है कितना फेक है। तो मैं फैजू भाई से मिलने आया, तो फैजू भाई तो मिले नहीं।
मैं बहुत गरीब हूँ। This is the place Sher-e-Punjab. It's beautiful and peaceful cafe and people are shooting here, I don't know what, and so many bikers are here. These are all bikers and this is the place and we sat down for tea and toast and this is it. I'll show you the menu as well. This is how the menu looks like. Having aloo toast and tea, and this person can't keep quiet even for a second.
हिंदी क्या नहीं बोलते?
Hashtag sibling irritate कर रहा है. That was it for Sanjay Man. Heading home. Thank you for your visit. Yeah. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video and I'm very thankful for all the love and support you're giving to me. If you like this video, please tell me in the comment section so that I can make more videos, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, like the video and share the video and visit this place. It's beautiful and come early morning. Bye.